Hey there. Have you ever felt like your salary disappears the moment it hits your bank account? You're not alone. But here's the good news. Saving money isn't about giving up everything you enjoy. It's about building smart habits, one step at a time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save money without feeling broke, restricted, or stressed out. Let's get started. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes each month. It's not the big purchases that hurt. It's the little ones. The daily coffee, the random snacks, the online shopping. So, here's your first move. Track every single expense for 1 month. Use an app like Mint, you need a budget, or just a Google sheet. Once you see the full picture, you'll realize where the leaks are. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. Budgeting isn't about being strict. It's about being intentional. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings or debt. This is just a starting point. Adjust it based on your life, but always make room for savings. Step 3. Automate your savings. The secret to saving consistently? Make it automatic. As soon as you get paid, set up a transfer from your main account to your savings account. Even if it's just 10%, you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up when you don't have to think about it. Step 4. Cut invisible costs. Take a look at your subscriptions. Are you paying for apps you don't use? Streaming services you forgot about? These small monthly charges add up fast. Cut them out and redirect that money toward your savings. Step 5. Shop smart. Saving doesn't mean never spending. It means spending wisely. Always look for discounts, cashback offers, and better deals. Use the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait a day. You'll often realize you didn't really need it. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. Unexpected bills, medical issues, job loss. That's why you need an emergency fund. Start with a small goal, maybe $500. Eventually, aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your safety net, and it keeps you from dipping into your savings. Step 7. Avoid debt traps. Debt is the biggest enemy of saving, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Focus on paying off the most expensive debt first. Use the snowball or avalanche method, whichever works best for you. Becoming debt-free gives you more room to breathe and to save. Step 8. Increase your income. Sometimes saving isn't enough. You've got to earn more. Start a side hustle. Sell a service. Freelance. Use your skills to create an extra income stream. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest. Step 9. Set clear goals. Saving just for the sake of saving gets boring. You need motivation. Are you saving for a vacation? A car? A new home? Set a goal. Write it down. Make a vision board. When you give your money a purpose, saving becomes exciting. Final thoughts. You don't need to be rich to start saving. You just need to be smart. Start small. Be consistent. And give every dollar a job. The best time to start saving was yesterday. The second best time is today. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Take care and keep saving smart.